In this video, we're unboxing the transmission fluid filling tool. The product manual. The multiple sizes of transmission fluid adapter fittings. The wrench to remove the fill pump port cap. The manual transmission fluid pump. This is a kit for filling automatic transmission fluid. Main purpose is to fill or top off transmissions that don't have a dipstick. It can be used with the correct vehicle-specific adapter for no leak and no disconnect filling. Then let's move on to how to use this tool. First, use the manual transmission fluid pump. We'll notice a silver button right here. This is the pressure relief valve. Before we start filling, we need to check if there's pressure built up inside. If there is pressure, push the button to bleed it off. We can check if there's the air pressure by looking at this gauge right here. Up here is the clamp-style handle. Pump it up and down to push fluid into the transmission. And this here is the fill adapter. Handle sideways means closed motion. Handle straight up and down means open motion. Use the included wrench to remove the fill port cap. Remove the cap off the transmission fill port. We can fill through this port. After filling, put the cap back on and tighten it down with the wrench. Choose the correct transmission fluid adapter for the vehicle. Thread the end with the threads into the transmission. Then connect the air line fitting to the lower fitting here. It's a quick connect adapter. Just insert it straight in. To remove it, pull back on the collar and then pull it off. Once everything's connected, turn on the switch. Then pump the handle up and down to filling fluid into the transmission. Follow the notes written on the pump. Make sure the pressure stays within range. Do not exceed the recommended pressure valve.